Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you on how you can trade options for beginners. So first, let's start by knowing the basics. So an option is a contract that gives you the right, not the obligation, to buy or sell a stock at a set price before a certain date. So a call option, it is a bet price that will go up, while a put option, it is a bet price that will go down. So if you want to pick a stock and a strategy, you can choose a stock that you believe will move in a certain direction. So you can decide if you'll buy calls or puts. Now to check the expiration date, options expire, so the timing is very important. So for managing the risk, only invest what you can afford to lose, and option can expire worthless. Now, you have to practice first, so you can use a demo account before trading with real money. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.